Hello everyone, welcome back. In the next few videos, we are going to cover memberships. In this video, we'll look at the different types of memberships. In the next video, you will learn how to set these up. So let's get started and look at the different types of memberships. There are three main types of membership: recurring memberships, single payment memberships, and credit packs. First, recurring memberships. These are the most popular type of membership that we see used in Glofox. This is a membership which gives the client access on a recurring basis. Their membership fees will be automatically deducted, and you can select to have your clients be charged on either the first of every month or on the date that they signed up. Next are single payment memberships. These are memberships which are bought on a single payment basis. This means that they will have access to a service for a set amount of time and the payment is one-off. Next are credit packs. Service credit packs allow your client to buy a block of classes or appointments. Credit packs can be purchased on more than one occasion, and also each profile can have more than one credit pack. So that's memberships. In the next video, we will learn about how you can set up each of these different types of memberships within Glofox. Thanks for joining.